favorite things to do after a project is to reflect on what stood out the most to us, or maybe our favorite pieces. If you ask Carl, I'm sure he would say it's the components in each and every cabinetry to optimize the space and access every inch. If you ask my husband Justin, he would tell you it would be the motorized window treatments, which are super cool. For our installer, it might be the bathroom and the beautiful tile work. But for me, it's actually the hurdles that we overcame. In the kitchen, our client asked for a bar. Obviously, it's an entertaining space. And so they wanted the bar to have some character, which normally wouldn't be a tough ask. But when you have such a small space to begin with, having the bar stand out, we didn't want it to chop up the kitchen even more so. And so Carl and I had to put our heads together to figure out how to give this bar personality while still making it cohesive with the rest of the kitchen. And that's when we came up with the idea to take the color of the island and the beautiful natural wood of the perimeter and marry the two. I think the cabinet manufacturer thought we were off our rocker when we asked for the door to be in a different color, but once we took the middle out and inserted glass, it turned out absolutely beautiful and exactly what the client was asking for. The second hurdle that we overcame was our client did not want her cabinets to be too tall. They didn't want dead space in a cabinet, but then they were also concerned on the maintenance or dusting if they didn't go up to the ceiling. And I think we would all agree, none of us wanted to see the old-fashioned soffits around the perimeter. And that's when the builder, Howie Zita, came up with the idea to put a cloud above the entire kitchen. For me, this was brilliant because it was a way to soften the space, make it more intimate. But even better, in this big room, it created boundaries without having to have walls. Now, we get to imagine our clients utilizing the space, having their friends and family stay here, playing games, entertaining, enjoying the lake. And to the ones who came before, hopefully they would be proud knowing that the space is used once again for what it was intended for.